This is the video guide about removing the ransomware called VapeV7. VapeV7 is a new ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that people store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Of course, before the ransomware attack, we don't have any troubles opening any file types. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this VapeV7 ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So you can pretty soon see such changes to take place. For example, as you can clearly see, the desktop wallpaper got changed into this black theme. And also very soon users see some other damaging effects related to this ransomware. The ransomware encrypts files and appends a special extension to them, so it's not possible to use the data anymore. And so these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. Very soon users see this pop-up window indicating that all your files have been encrypted. Speaking about the files, indeed this VapeV7 extension got added to them, and it is not possible to use the files anymore. Obviously, the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Let's first of all get rid of this pop-up that is preventing us from seeing the content. We will need to use a task manager for this purpose to actually end this task, and this is the way to do that. When you get to the task manager, you will find this special process that is running. You need to right click on it and end its task. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching your computer. Click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in this trial mode. Then the scanning will begin, and also please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to get your files protected in the future. So the scanning by Combo Cleaner will take some time. Please also pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware, it helps to protect the data, but as for decrypting files, this is not possible. It's not possible for Combo Cleaner, and it is not possible for any other security software. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. We recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license to remove this ransomware and to protect your data. Speaking about decrypting the files, you may find a special link in the description to this video. It will give you more information on possible ways on how to recover your data.